Some of our clients require all new employees to undertake a criminal record check as part of their recruitment process. And naturally, for some industries such as lawyers and medical professionals, there's a legislative requirement to not have a criminal record. But what about those industries where there's not a legislative requirement, but hiring decisions are also made based on the result of criminal record checks? Well, today we're going to take a look at the relevant legislation in this space that saw some changes throughout 2019, as well as a very interesting and controversial Australian Human Rights Commission decision which led to these changes. The 2018 case saw Suncorp Bank challenged for refusing to employ a person whose police check returned back child pornography convictions. In this case, Suncorp argued that these prior convictions were an indication that the prospective employee was not of sufficient character or trustworthiness. The Commission found that whilst the prior convictions were serious in nature, they didn't impact on the prospective employee's ability to satisfy the inherent requirements of the role, in this case being trustworthy and of good character. So following this decision, we saw amendments to the Federal Australian Human Rights Commission Act 1986, which make it illegal for employers to discriminate on the grounds of irrelevant criminal records. Now, of course, the definition of what is irrelevant is very subjective and of course open to case law and the interpretation of the courts. However, what we can see, at least in this case that we've spoken about today, is that AHRC is willing to take a fairly liberal view of what is irrelevant criminal history. Now, naturally, each criminal record and each role is different, and therefore there's no black and white rulebook here. However, what we would caution SMEs is to take a look at this in a little bit more detail should your business require police checks for all new employees. If you're watching this video, I'm going to have a guess that it's because your business is facing some kind of HR or workplace relations challenge. Well, I've got some good news. You're exactly the type of business that we created our free online support membership for. And it provides you with a high-level HR and workplace relations advice when you need it, as well as a whole heap of other benefits. To learn more about what's included with free online support and to apply for membership, please visit ondemandhr.com.au/online.